Good morning from sunny Vegas. We are now up and about, had our coffee, and now we are just walking down towards the M&M store. So we'll have, I think, lots of M&Ms there, and then after that, we are also planning to go to Coke Factory. After that, we've got a Hell's Kitchen appointment about 1:45. That's what Ram says. So we'll definitely work it out and let you know how it goes. So there's like shops at Christians. Oh, nice. All right. Which one? The red one? Okay, that's right. दो 1+1 मिल रहा है हमारे लाजपत में किस तरह 1+1 हुआ है. So we're taking a tram, is it? Okay. Oh, is it? Oh, that's true. Walking down towards the M&M store. Hard Rock Cafe, Coca-Cola and M&M. Take a picture here. So you can see the showgirls. You can see there? Oh yeah.
Hi guys!
This is Las Vegas Strip. Go Asha, go. Stand over there. See, Diju is anyways taking picture. That's Hard Rock, Coca-Cola. Going there. Yeah, nice. So we are going inside the M&M store now. Oh, it's colorful. So colorful. Nice. What's it? Oh, right. Not bossy, just the boss. Oh. Oh, that's so cool.
अब जब हम ऊपर जाएंगे तो then water forget it not you buy. I also made it over there. I think just that M&M.
Yeah. We have that at home. Oh wow. Look at that. Whole M&Ms. Wow. Love it. Hey, which one? You already done that? You already taken that?
Krishi, Tina, is he really buying it?
Wow. Oh, nice, peanuts. Like coated one, right?
So like those ones are milk chocolate.
All right, milk chocolates and the peanuts. Coca-Cola store first. Go Ashia. Yeah.
But see, that's how we ended up with Coca-Cola. We love these kind of.
All right, that's true.
We collect coffee. We do different places.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Nice. What are we taking? Oh, just a show. That's right. Okay. So we're going up the store where you can actually taste different Coca-Cola. Ah, nice. Yes. Oh. Yeah, you have to buy. Look, we're gonna be tasting all the things.
Yeah, and keep it like that. So that you know.
Oh, that's so cool.
Like him.
Wow.
Oh look, there's thumbs up. There's thumbs up.
Go, go.
See which one it is first.
What number is that?
These are thumbs up.
No, that's Fanta. Fanta from Thailand. That's where it was. Where's that one?
Reyaansh, which one's that one?
Green tea?
Check.
Wow.
That thumbs up. Oh, you're having thumbs up. काफी देसी लड़का है अपना. पूरा देसी.
Where's the world gone?
Which one is that one?
Which one have you tried, Bharat?
I did not like this one.
Oh, this. What?
Probably from Italy.
Ah, Italy.
Oh, this is like bubble gum.
Bubble gum. So which one did you like, Reyaansh? Oh, just that Fanta.
And the green one.
That tastes like a cough syrup.
Wow, what is that? I can drink cup syrup.
So it's fun. Reyaansh, which one? Right now we are going to the Hell's Kitchen for our lunch. Sakshi got her the reservation. I don't know if you know, but Port Ramsay, it's gonna be best food in Vegas. Wow, got it inside. Let's go. Look at the wine. Oh, wow. Right at the entrance. Nice.
You want to sit there?
We got mandir as well here. Oh, that's Brahmaji's. That's cool. That's Brahmaji's, right?
Brahma Shrine.
Wow. This is a show. This is street. It's like having all kind of shows. Kids for grown-up kids. That's the Venetian. So we are at the end of the strip, almost at the end of the strip. Oh yeah. Venezia. No, but then it's not. Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay. We have to go upstairs?